FF Kids, and today we're gonna be doing a chocolate fondue challenge part 3. But this time it's way different. I don't like chocolate fondue challenge because it gets worse. We have a judge. If we don't even eat, if we don't even eat a single of our vegetable or gummy, we lose 1 point.
And also, if you don't eat it with the chocolate, you lose a point too.
I'm not excited. Every chocolate fondue challenge, something new happens. So, we're ready. We're ready. Everyone's ready.
Number 1.
Yep. I don't know. We're gonna do rock, paper, scissors. Who goes first? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Why you always do? Okay, my turn. Mine and Sophia. So dish number 1 is oh my gosh, I always get nervous. Okay. Switch it. 3, 2, 1. You got a cute. A fun fact. My sister loves cucumbers. Fun fact. I'm excited. Actually, I'm really excited.
Okay, Sophia, you eating it?
Uh-huh.
Let's see as well.
We also have a code.
Okay, you guys get a point because you ate it.
Yeah. Oh god.
Did you guys like it?
Of course I
Of
do.
course I did.
Rate it out of 5.
5.
How about you? 5? Okay.
Okay. I'm going for dish number 2.
Dish number 2, please.
Oh my gosh.
Mine. And mine.
Yours gave me good luck. What is that? That's a pepper!
Okay.
What did you get, please?
She got a pepper. I got a peach. What in the world? Wait, is that a... Wait, can I see the image? No, that's like a tomato or pepper.
It's your turn, Zell. You ate it? And you ate it too, Sophia.
There's nothing...
Okay, you guys both get a point again.
Why? I got like 2 fruits.
That's really good.
Number 3? Oh my gosh. I've been getting fruit, so I think I'm just gonna switch mine for now.
You guys switch.
3, 2, 1.
Let's see.
Melon! Ah,
What did you
yes!
get, Sophia?
She got broccoli.
Okay, let's see.
Oh my gosh.
You ate it all, Zell. You too, Sophia. Wow. You guys got a point again.
I hope we get a gummy.
Oh my god, you guys are awesome.
I hope we get a gummy next round. What is like dish number 4? That was dish number 4. Dish number 5. Uh-oh.
You guys are switching?
I have bad feelings about this.
Okay. Wait.
Wait, what is it? This is raw peach. Wait, what is that? This is a good one! This is like raw. This is a peach!
No, it's wrong.
What did you get, Sophia?
This is not raw peach.
You ate it already? What did you get, Ezra?
I got like a peach or it's like raw peach. I don't really like raw.
Okay, Sophia ate it. Ezra ate it too. Oh my god. You
This
guys-
is definitely not
you
raw
guys got a
peach.
point.
This is definitely not raw peach.
Did you guys like it?
Yes, we loved it. This is not raw peach. That's just you said. No.
My turn.
Oh my gosh.
My
No.
turn.
It's my turn.
Okay, how is it going?
Where's it going on? I got always the fruit. So I hope it keeps that way. I hope I get a gummy. Wait. I wanna
Are you guys ready?
switch.
What do you guys
No,
think
I'm
it
gonna
is?
keep. I'm
What
gonna
do you
keep.
guys think it is? Take a guess.
I don't know. I don't know. 3, 2, 1. You got lime.
What did you get, Ezra?
I got a new watermelon.
Okay.
Ezra ate it.
Okay, go.
This number 6 was good, but
It
my
might be really sour, and I like sour.
Okay. Hope we get a gummy. We haven't got a gummy.
It'll taste the sour.
So we're gonna get prizes
Oh,
at the end.
wait.
Are you guys excited for that?
I got all fruit, and my sister got all the vegetables.
Okay, I'm trying to think if I.
If streak. This is like that was my 6th. This is, if I get a fruit. Zucchini. Wait, what? Zucchini? I don't even like zucchini, but I gotta deal with it.
I love zucchini. Zucchini is the best.
What do you have,
switch?
Sophia?
Orange.
You have an orange?
I have never ate zucchini, but I do not want to spit it out because if I do, I'm gonna lose one of my points. So, cheers,
Sophia
Sophia.
ate hers. Good to see you.
Not that bad, actually. It's actually really good. Oh yeah, I forgot. I'll eat my whole. Oh no, my sister ate the whole thing.
You have to eat it all.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Okay, you guys are doing really good.
Okay, my sister got a fruit. But this is the weirdest. This is actually pretty weird. Why did my sister get a fruit? Even though she's supposed to get something bad.
Yeah.
What did you guys talk about? How was it going?
Let's listen to your music.
Yeah, I'm almost
Start
done it.
the tunes, and I'll start to groove. I'm listening. This is great.
This is hard. Dun-dun, na-na-na. Okay, but here's the thing. Why did she get a fruit? I got a fruit. She got a fruit. What's the difference?
Are you guys liking the challenge?
Of course we are, and that is what I like about.
With you.
Okay, so this is our last plate.
Oh my gosh!
This is great.
Oh no, I'm not excited about this.
Okay.
First, take a guess before you open it. Take a guess.
Okay, I think this one.
Cucumber.
You think it's a cucumber?
Okay.
What do you think it is?
I don't know. It's like a hot pepper.
Hot pepper?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
I got an apple. Wait, why do I have the cucumber plate? Like, oh wait, it's broccoli.
What do you have, Sophia?
A banana.
Whoa.
Why do I have an apple? Is this normal?
Let's see you as a. Wow. You guys both got a point again.
Wait a sec. Then who wins?
Both of you do.
Did you see? I felt like so many fruit. I didn't even get a single vegetable.
You did.
I didn't get a vegetable.
One. I got an orange and you got the banana.
I got a zucchini. A zucchini is not. Zucchini is a fruit. Zucchini is. Wait, what? One more dish. Oh no. I don't know. It's Sophia's turn. I'm nervous.
Eat.
Okay.
And I hope I get it.
Wait.
Okay.
Let me please
I hope
pray.
I get it, please.
Everyone, I'm gonna pray for
Close
10
your
seconds.
eyes and just do it for 10 seconds.
Not that ready, but okay.
Yes, I'm ready.
3, 2, 1. Wait, what?
Oh, what's right
What
here?
did you guys get?
I got a red pepper.
Oh my.
My sister got another red pepper. I remember in the last challenge, I had a red pepper.
Sophia's eating it.
Oh my
And
god.
she finished it.
Okay.
Are you eating it as
Oh,
well?
I am. That is wrong.
That'd be all of it.
Oh, I'm not excited. I don't know. I'm gonna swallow it.
Okay, you spit it out.
Okay, so Sophia
I
got
was
the
gonna
point.
vomit.
I'm sorry, Isel. Sophia got the point. You did a good job.
Oh.
Oh, I think you got the hot pepper.
Okay, guys, I want you to close your eyes, please. Both of you.
Oh, my mouth hurts.
I'm gonna hand you something, but don't open your eyes.
I'm about to vomit. Ah, this is disgusting.
Okay.
I need some water.
Don't open your eyes yet.
And my hand.
3.
Wait, what?
I got slime.
I got a slime. Wait. Oh, wow. Wow.
So we got you guys prizes.
Oh, wait. I thought the winner gets prizes.
We got it for both of you. Do you guys like your prizes? Do you want to open them?
Oh, let's open it up on
I
camera.
got a unicorn.
So I'm gonna give this a magical hand to open up with scissors. Oh no, I actually don't need magical
I
hand.
got.
My sister will love this thing. I am not really of a slime guy, but it's okay. I got my favorite color blue.
Blue.
I got blue. Got blue powder.
You
Blue
want to show what you
confetti.
got, Izzo?
You got 2 packs of glitter.
Oh my gosh. So we'll end the video right now. So if you like this video, wait! Let's get a 1 to 5. What do you think? This is a 5, yeah. Oh my gosh. The red pepper gave me almost a vomit. I almost. Oh gosh.
Well, the red pepper was actually good. Maybe you got the hot pepper and I got the
No, it's the same. So we will end the video right now. So if you like this video, smash that like button, hit that bell notification so you never ever miss a video, and hit that subscribe button. And we'll see you on next time. Goodbye.